Email overload? Let's kill that chaos now. These 4 AI tricks will own your inbox in 2025. Fast fixes, total control. Jump in. Last week, I missed a critical deal. Buried under 300 unread emails. Total disaster. AIproyzy's dropping 4 tricks to master your inbox. Filter spam, prioritize big shots, organize clean, and reply like a pro. Zero stress. Here's how to run your emails like a boss. Trick 1. Superhuman. Your email turbo engine. I'd scroll forever. Urgent stuff slipped. Clients got mad. Superhuman's elite. Sign up for Superhuman. Free trial. Connect Gmail. AI sorts your inbox. Tags VIP for key contacts. I spotted a CEO's email instantly. Replied in 3 minutes. Try this. Type snooze. Non-urgent stuff waits till tomorrow. I cleared 100 emails in 10 minutes, no sweat. Pro tip. Set auto split. Work emails one side, personal the other. For teams, enable shared notes. My crew synced replies, nailed a pitch. Superhuman's your inbox beast, always fast. Start free. Take charge. Trick 2. Sanebox. Your spam slayer on autopilot. Junk emails ate my mornings, no time to focus, pure frustration. Sanebox is clutch. Open Sanebox. Free trial. Link your email. AI shunts spam to sane later. I cut 50 junk emails daily. Zero effort. Try this. Set sane black hole. Annoying senders vanish forever. I zapped a sales spam in seconds. Inbox cleaner. Advanced move. Train sane news. Drag newsletters there. AI keeps them tidy. For pros, auto-archive old emails. I freed 2 GB of storage in a snap. Sanebox is your cleanup ninja. Always sharp. Test it free. Reclaim your focus. Number 3. Shortwave. Your inbox zen master. My folders were a nightmare. Couldn't find a client thread. Looked sloppy. Shortwave smooth. Go to Shortwave. Free plan. Connect email. AI pins critical threads. Highlights urgent names. I found a deal email in 2 seconds. Saved a contract. Try this. Type bundle. AI groups newsletters like marketing. I scanned 15 updates in 1 minute. No clutter. For tasks, hit done. Read emails vanish. Inbox zero vibes. Pro tip. Set smart filters. AI flags team emails, skips noise. Shortwave's your calm hub, always tidy. Start free. Stay in control. Last trick. Flowrite. Your reply rocket for instant responses. I'd freeze on emails, took ages, clients ghosted. Flowrite's fire. Open Flowrite. Free trial. Pick reply. Type. Quick follow-up. AI crafts. Thanks. Let's lock in next steps. I sent a pro email in 10 seconds. Booked a meeting. Try this. Choose decline. AI writes, grateful, but I'm swamped. I skipped a call politely. No awkward vibes. Advanced trick. Tweak. Confident. Emails hit harder, like I've got this covered. For bulk replies, Q5 drafts. I handled 10 clients in 15 minutes. Flowrite's your reply champ. Always quick. Start free. Sound like a pro. These 4, Superhuman, Sanebox, Shortwave, Flowrite, revolutionize your inbox in 2025. Triage fast, prioritize smart, organize clean, and reply sharp. I went from email hell to inbox zero. Saved hours, felt unstoppable. You can too, starting free, owning your emails by tonight. Quick recap. Superhuman speeds you up, so you never miss. Sanebox kills junk, so you stay clear. Shortwave organizes, so you're calm. Flowrite writes fast, so you shine. They're your inbox superpower. That's the win, right? Done. 4 AI tricks to master your inbox. Use them to save time and run your day. Which trick's your vibe? Sanebox, Flowrite, or another? Drop it below. I read everyone. If this helped, smash that like. It keeps us going. Subscribe for more hacks to crush it. Catch you next time. Go own your emails.